Students, welcome to computer science class. The chapter we are going to discuss today is electronic spreadsheet. First, what is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a grid which interactively manages and organizes data in the forms of rows and columns. Okay, it is a grid which contains rows and columns to organize and manage the data. So the activities of spreadsheet includes first one is tabulation of data. The data that the user have to know will be in the form of tabulation. Second one is simple mathematical calculations. The performing calculations using simple mathematical operators can be done using the spreadsheet, and complex calculations can also be done using the formulas and functions of the spreadsheet. Okay, the next thing is arranging data. When we have a list of data, we can arrange the data in ascending, either in the ascending or in the descending order. Okay, the next one is filtering. So if you want to filter up some data from a set of values, a filtering option can be used from the spreadsheet. Check the validity of the data. The data's validity can also be checked out through this spreadsheet. Then protection of data using passwords. So if you want to save an Excel file, that is a spreadsheet file, you can protect it using the password. Then saving for the future use. So when we are working with certain sort of data, we can save it for the future purpose. Okay, starting the LibreOffice calculator. So here how we have to start our spreadsheet is that we'll be using a LibreOffice, that is Windows LibreOffice application, and finally have to select the LibreOffice calc option from the LibreOffice application. This is the starting home page of this spreadsheet. So this is called out to be the title bar. Okay, and these ones are the menu bar. We'll discuss this in the next slide. And this one is called out to be the standard toolbar, which includes arranging, filtering, all those options. The next one here this is called as formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar includes the font, character formatting, font sizes, all those things. Okay, this bold, italic, everything comes under the formatting toolbar. The next one is FX, that is formula bar. This plain white box is called out to be the formula bar, where we can type our formulas for calculative purpose. And next one is this is called out to be the active cell reference. So where your cell, that is this cursor pointer is being placed, the current working cells reference will be given under this box. Okay, the next one is these are called out to be the columns A, B, C, D, and so on, and these are called out to be the rows. There will be totally 2 power 20 rows in the spreadsheet, approximate value, and about 2 power 10 columns. Okay, so this is an approximate value of the spreadsheet. Okay, this is called out to be the status bar, where the count will be given. Count of the particular data in your spreadsheet can be calculated from this. Okay, these are called out to be the sheets. A single workbook, this is called out to be the single workbook, which includes number of sheets. Okay, this will show you in which sheet you are now. So if you are in the sheet 1, out of 3 sheets you are currently working with, the first sheet is indicated by 1 by 3. So as I said, title bar is used to give the name of your current working spreadsheet file's name. The menu bar includes these 11 options. The first one is file, which includes save, open, and all those new file, all those things. Editing will help you to edit your document, and view will help you to look out, make a clear cut of lookout, how to see, that is zoom in, zoom out, all those issues. Insert can be done using the images, clip arts, all those things. Format can be the formatting options of the character. Then styles include the styles that we are applying for the characters. Sheet includes including and deleting a sheets, and then renaming a sheet. All those things can be done under sheet tab. The next one is data tab. Data tab includes the formulas, etc. Tools includes some tools that is mainly used for formatting your content. Windows will help you to switch over to the next page or cells. The next one is help, will connect you to the office, that is main file, which will help you through the internet. Then the toolbar includes three different toolbars: standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, formula toolbar. So standard toolbar includes, so see this, in this the standard toolbar includes, this is called out to be the standard toolbar, which includes sorting operation, redo, undo, zoom, then all those calculations, cuttings, then all those things comes under the standard toolbar. The next one is formatting toolbar. As I said, the formatting options for the content, that is the data, can be bolded, italics, then underlined, or this indentation and the page setups. All these things comes under this formatting toolbar. And the formula bar includes name box, function wizard, sum, function, input line, everything. There is also called out to be the worksheet. The worksheet is the area where we will be currently working with the spreadsheet. It also contains rows and columns. So rows and columns, rows are the horizontal representation, and the columns are the vertical lines that run from the top to bottom. Okay, the next thing is cells and cell address. So cell is the thing which we called as the intersection of rows and the columns. So intersection of row and column together called as cell. The address of the cell can be given using the column name and the row number. For example, if we are, the pointer is being placed in the first one, that is column name is A and the row number is 1. The name of the cell is A1. Okay, say in such a way. So active cell refers to the where we are currently working in the with the cursor is called out to be the active cell. Active cell in a worksheet, that is the thing where the cursor is being placed. Active cell address refers to the top bar, the in the formula bar left at the left end. We will be having the active cell column which represent the address of the current active cell. Range of cells is the group of cells that is being calculated in a continuous form. So column range refers to the column that runs from the top to the end. Row refers to the range that we are selecting in from the first row to the end row. Okay, column and row range. So here we will be taking the rows and the columns all together, and we will be collecting in form of continuous range. Next one is entering data. So while entering the data into a sheet, we will be using labels, values and formulas. So labels refers to the text format. Okay, so text format, all the letters that comes under label. Values include the numbers. So numbers includes the numerical terms that comes under the values, and the formulas can be typed in the formula bar, either in the formula bar or in the current working cells. Okay, in default, the labels, the text will we can type from the left. Okay, from by default we can type the text from the left. By default we can type the number from the right. We cannot type the number from the left. Okay, this is a default alignment by the spreadsheet. Okay. Next one is mathematical operators. So we use number of operators in the current working spreadsheet. It includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponential. So the operator precedence can be in this follows. First the parenthesis will be solved. Second thing, your power, that is exponential, will be solved. Third thing is division, and then followed by the multiplication, and finally plus and the minus, that is addition and the subtraction. Next one is formula with cell address and operators. So once we are using formula with the cells values, we will be calculating using these. For example, A1 is being assigned A1 value in the cells. We will be having A1 as 2 and A2 as 3. After in the A3, if we want to add these two values, we will be giving either 2 plus 3 or by A1 plus A2. If we give 2 plus 3, on changing these values, it will not change the value in the A3, right? But when we are using A1, that is the cell's address, we can have the same value, that is the respective answer for the values that we are giving. Okay. So the remaining we will see in the next part. Thank you, students.